We're going to pick up where we left off in the Waypoint Graphics tab video and cover the Waypoint Visuals tab. So we'll go ahead and right click our waypoint and edit. And the Visuals tab just allows you to import a 2D and 3D file for a particular waypoint, and it'll be displayed on the 2 and 3D map. So we'll go ahead and select the checkbox Use Visual, and we'll add our 2D file. I'm just going to go with the generic box, and we'll add our 3D file. I'm going to select generic box here as well. And typically when I set this up, I go back over to the Graphics tab and disable the symbol. That way it's easier to see the files that we're importing on the map. And we'll click OK. Now it's kind of hard to see. I'll zoom in here. The particular file that I selected is a 1 foot by 1 foot box. That's why it's so small. So if we go back into our waypoint, we'll change the scale factor to 5. And you'll see that's much easier to see. We'll take a look at this waypoint in the 3D map. To open up the 3D map, we select the View tab and 3D map. And the easiest way to navigate here is to expand the waypoints and select Test. And you'll see our generic box right there. We can also add a translation and orientation for a 2D and 3D file. If we go back to our map display, we'll right click our waypoint and edit. And I'll go ahead and put a 45-degree heading in. And I'll add a value of 10 degrees for the pitch and roll. And I'll go ahead and put a 5-foot translation in. And select OK. And you'll see the heading has changed to 45 degrees. And the file has translated 5 feet along the x-axis. If we go over to our 3D map display, you'll see the 3D file now has a 10-degree pitch and roll. This concludes the basic setup of the Waypoint Visuals tab. Be sure to click the video link below covering the Waypoint Rings tab.